right, Liz, where are we going today?
So we are going to Rio dos Couros. It's leather in English.
Leather?
Leather, the name of the river.
You know I'm a leather worker.
Oh yeah. So the name is Rio dos Couros because a long time ago they used to hunt the deers, veado. The name of this region is Chepata Veadeiros because a long time ago we could see a lot of deers, and they used to hunt these deers, and they used to come here to clean the meat and all the leather
In the river.
Yeah.
No
Here.
way, that's cool.
That's why it calls Rio dos Couros, Leather River.
Rio dos Couros.
Yeah.
Wow. That's cool. Okay, so we're here at this amazing, the Leather Waterfall, as they call it in English, and it's absolutely amazing. But I want to talk about where I am. This is the Chepata. It's in central Brazil, and this is the highest point. All of this used to be underwater back thousands of years ago. And there's some kind of giant aquifer underneath all of it. So as much as it's like the Sahara Desert, just dry and arid, there are these waterfalls that spring out of nowhere. Huge rivers with amazing landscapes they go over. And the funny thing is, not many people know about it. It's still one of the kept secrets of Brazil, because everyone who thinks of Brazil thinks beaches and Amazon, but they don't think desert with amazing waterfalls. So 10 out of 10, come check out what they call the high paradise. Guy talking to birds? Of course. It's like every day just keeps on getting better than the last.